How are we doing, folks? James Farrer here, Junior Sales Executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this 2017 BMW X1 18D SE. Let's take a quick look around her. She comes in this dark grey metallic finish with the iconic BMW kidney grille up front. The BMW spoked alloys on run flat tyres, the sDrive18d badging on the side, the black trim around the windows, the rear spoiler, shark fin aerial on top. You also have the X1 badging on the at the back, and the rear parking sensors. This car also is fitted with an automatic boot. Just a simple click of the key fob and she'll pop right open. The rear seats are also collapsible to give you even more trunk space. And to close the boot, it's a simple click of the button up there. Now folks, let's take a quick look at the interior. Now folks, that we're inside, you can see the BMW multifunctional sports steering wheel. This car is fitted with a sports mode, comfort mode and an Eco Pro mode. Also on board is the BMW teleservice, the rear parking sensors, the BMW iDrive system, the manual transmission, the automatic electric handbrake, the pedestrian safety system. The interior comes in a black checked cloth with a platinum trim finish, fully electric windows, automatic wipers, the BMW SOS service system, keyless push button start ignition. In the rear seats there's also ISOFIX child's seating system, Bluetooth connection and many other extras. And that was just a quick look around this 2017 BMW X1 sDrive18d SE. If you have any questions about this car or any other car in our fleet, please feel free to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.